things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
Morning, guys, and dogs. Dog's just chilling. There he is. Good morning, Cody.
Morning.
How's it going?
Not so bad. You know?
You know, not bad for a nice sunny day. As good as it can be.
What day is it today?
I have no idea.
Every day's Sunday.
Every day's a Friday, isn't it?
Sunday,
Saturday,
today,
yeah.
Tomorrow, day after, yesterday, day before that. Welcome to the weekend.
So, where are we going?
Today we're going to a nice accommodation with a nice bathroom that I keep banging on about. And we're excited. So, without further ado, let's get a wiggle on. Otherwise, you wouldn't be getting there till 11 o'clock at night if I left it up to him.
You?
You.
Alright, let's go. Why are you going back into the canteen? See what I mean? This is why we're always late. Oh, you're right there. Goodbye, little woofer. Uh-oh. Carry these heavy bags up all these stairs. Bye-bye. Goodbye, Jana. Guest house. Until we meet again. This is our little ride. Eee. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah,
I didn't quite catch it in time, but she was doing some really crazy stuff just
Call me when you can minutes away.
Yeah, I don't quite know what's wrong with her lately.
Just chilled out.
What is that on your head?
This is masterpiece.
What on earth is that?
Don't you what on earth me, bruv, yeah?
What is that?
This is my headrest. And this keeps my weave from sticking to my neck, shoulders, back, arms and everything else that it seems to get in the crevice of.
You're strange. You're not the full ticket.
I am.
Mate, I like this tricycle. This is looking the real deal right now. Was that hot? It was hot, wasn't it?
Yeah. See, look, hairs.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, safe arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, safe arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go.
We are far out there right now.
We are out here. I've just given birth to a Manfrotto.
Poor bag.
Oh, what a dream mountain warehouse.
Oh no, this is life right now.
Right, look at this. You have no idea of the struggle it is when it's 32 degrees. You got this bag on your front, you got this bag on your back, and you are sweating. And when I say sweating, I mean you look like you've gone for a dip in the sea. You are literally dripping wet. You get the worst ache down your shoulders and neck. You get the worst back pains, and last year it was that bad that it got to the point where I thought I was going to have to go home early because I was having back problems and I just couldn't carry my bag anymore. So poor Chris had his big bag on his back, my big bag on his front, and then the two small ones on each arm while I was trying to recover from my problems with my back, and he just looked like a donkey. It was such a shame. But I can't tell you the difference in quality of life having a bag with wheels gives you. Don't listen to no one who says, how are you going to wheel them across the sand? Asia's not made of sand. We're not going to the Middle East, okay? We're going to the southeast of Asia, okay? Just get a bag of wheels and listen to us. It literally saves your life.
Oh, that's a nice beach. Oh, that is a nice beach. Why didn't we come here the other day as well? Oh, God. Cody bossing it. Flying down the stairs. Oh, let's get this lens out the way. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. I might just go for a swim.
We're just waiting for our boat transfer, which is what we need to get to our accommodation. You can get there by driving, but by tricycle it's a very rocky road. Apparently it's not the best. So if you get in touch with accommodation, you tell them what time you're going to arrive at Barangay Tando, which is the wharf, the port where you get the boat. Then they will arrange to meet you. So we're just waiting here, and the other day we went to Gizzy Lighthouse and Gizzy Beach. I have to be honest and say that this beach that we're waiting on for our little boat transfer is so much nicer than Gizzy Beach. What did you say?
Hello.
If you let go, if you let go. So then there's no boat. Oh my god, I'm
Why laughing?
You tell them how they've been meeting.
Just doesn't want to focus on your big ugly head.
This is going down a treat though. Mango shake.
Meet it and greeted with a pint of water and a mango shake each.
First impressions are very, 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 very good.
Because we are sweating buckets.
Keep them coming.
9 more.
Yeah, you know.
We're so hot.
So greeted with mango shakes, water, and a massive sandwich. Oh, here we go. How's it taste? Unreal, innit? I've almost eaten half of mine already. Just on our way now to our room. Can't wait to see it because the bathroom is like opened up so you can see over the whole ocean and stuff.
This is nice bathroom accommodation in case you didn't already guess, guys.
This is going to be bathroom goals. So I'm really, really excited right about now.
We've been so excited about this for so long.
Yeah.
I've done nothing but talk about this bathroom accommodation. So if you've seen any of our other videos, I've banged on about this place for quite a while because we've seen the pictures and it just looks incredible. So we're on our way to bathroom goal heaven.
Yeah, do it.
We might sit in the shower tonight and watch the sunset.
Yeah.
This is what you pay for.
Bro.
This is the balcony. Right here. This is what you look at, and this is the bathroom.
Right. That's out there.
Look at that. Toilet view goals.
That is out there right now.
Shower on the tree. Yes, you are literally living in the... I was like, oh my god, there's somebody there, but actually, that's a mirror.
That is out there, bro.
You can't even see the colours because it's so light out today, but... Wow. Outside goals. Balcony goals. Bathroom goals. Even got a little bum gun on the tree. Look at that.
Goals everywhere.
When do you have a bum gun on a tree?
That's goals.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I'm
Are you
impressed.
excited?
Yeah,
I'm so happy to be here.
real nice.
Cliff Cottage, I think this is called. There's our cute little bathroom sink. Wash your hands with a view. Living the dream.
When you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, if you let go, if you let go, if you let go.
Right then, let's do it. Let's go and have a little swim, shall we? Want a little swim?
Yep, little swim. Just
do it.
having a little look around. Well, trying not to fall over because you know me.
Yeah, you will fall.
Plant. Look at this.
Yeah, it's nice.
We've got a little section over here for the sunset watching.
It's real nice. Real nice. Also, can I just say that I think our room that we've got, that we just showed you, is probably the best room I think we've had while we've been away, last year and this year so far. That room was immense, wasn't it?
That room's incredible. It's so basic inside. It's literally, you've got your bed, but you've got space, and people underestimate how much you miss or want or need space when you've got all them bags, especially when you're trying to get things out and you've got nowhere to put them on the floor. So you've got the aircon, you've got space, it's dark, so you're not going to get woke up in the morning by the bright light, and then you go outside and you've just got a gorgeous view, and then you go for your little morning wait, and you know, you're at one with nature.
Yes, you are.
Literally feel like Baloo the bear, just bare necessities.
We're taking the plunge, we're going to go to this way. We can see a beach down the bottom of these stairs. I don't know if it's the right one.
Actually, no, I think it is, because Kai said when he sorted this out for us to stay here, that he recommended that we stay. Whoa! He recommended that we stay on the beach hut because it's literally on the beach. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a beach hut and this is a beach. So, if I'm not mistaken again, that's Kai's favourite room.
Oh,
In the morning,
does look nice, doesn't it?
you just come down.
So, this is the beach right next to our room. Might not be able to do too much more vlogging, guys, because the battery's about to die, but we'll do what we can.
We've got our phones anyway, so we'll have to swap to phone cam if that happens. But the tide's come in, because before I seen people walking across onto this little bit of island here.
Yeah.
So the tide's definitely coming in.
Well, we better get down there fast then.
Gorge.
Let's go. You know, just strolling through the water as you do. And this is where we're going to be for the next hour or so. Unreal. This resort is one of the best I've been to. So nice. I think we're going to try and go and sit on this little rock here, fly the drone.
Where the heart is. Last man in the Philippines.
You keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody.
So guys, we're going to have to finish the vlog on this nice sunset, I think.
Our battery died earlier when we were down at the beach, so we just came back, had a shower outside, as you do, and now watching the same as what you're watching right now from
So
behind the camera.
thank you for watching,
We love you all a lot. Thank you for your support.
and we'll catch you again tomorrow.
Adios.
Peace.
No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody.
I just came outside to put some DEET on, and the time lapse had finished. And I don't know if you can see this through the trees. Well, I know you can see it through the trees, but yeah. There we go. What a dream. Just take a minute out of your day and find something beautiful around you, and just show appreciation and gratitude for it. Good night, guys. See you in the next one.